Hi students, viewers, present educational video arranged by the Sripatra Bhosle High School, Osmanabad, Maharashtra. What is this? You know, this is a Rangoli. In our culture, drawing the Rangoli in front of our house. Now, look at the Rangoli. In this Rangoli, you looking which mathematical shapes? Your answer are square, rectangle, triangles, line segment, etc. Now, if we drawing the Rangoli, first take on the dots and then complete the generally Rangoli. Like as the another some mathematical concepts we learn in first lesson. The lesson name is Basic Concepts in Geometry. Basic concepts in geometry. If drawing the starting Rangoli, then take on the first dots. The dots in our maths called the points. Here, the first concept of our first lesson, points. Now we look how to get the points. If tip of pen, pencil or very fine tip of any placed on the flat surface, then we get figure of points. Now, here on the blackboard, point D, point L, point V drawn. Now, we look in the use of point. Point is used showing the specific place. Now, we look the important sentence related to points. Points have not length, breadth or height. It is fulfilled. Now, look on the blackboard. Here, the 2 points, point P and point Q. Now, we join the points using scale and chalk. Here we get one figure, the figure also called a line segment. Here on the blackboard drawn say PQ, or the same say we can read using the other name, say QP. Means here point P and point Q are the end points of the line segment PQ. Now, we are looking properties of line segment. First property, line segment has part of line. Second property, line segment has limited log. Third, we can measure line segment. Fourth, line segment has 2 endpoints. Now, listen carefully. If any line segment, how far extend the both sides of the endpoints? The line segment we can extend end of the page of paper. how to show the very long or very big line using the arrowheads. Here the two arrowheads, like as figure called the figure are very, the line are very big, called a line. On the blackboard drawn line AB. The same line we can read another name, line BA. Here related to line AB, the point A and point B are the any 2 points on the line. Here any line we can read the using one letter. Here line H. Now observe carefully on the blackboard. Which figure drawing on the blackboard? Your answer is innumerable, infinite, many points. If here we draw the arrowheads, then we get the figure of line. Means here we can say lines are collections of points. Now we are looking properties of lines. First property, lines are collections of points. Second, lines has straight, not a zigzag. Third, lines has two arrowheads. Fourth, line has infinite long. Fifth, we cannot measure line. Now listen carefully. You know the sun is main source of our energy. Sunlight carried by the rays, and sun is the origin or starting of rays. Similarly, in our maths, the concept are rays. Like as figure called a ray. We can draw the like ray. On the blackboard, ray EF. Here the point E is called the origin or starting point of the ray, and point F is called the any point on the ray. Here one important sentence related to ray. The ray EF is not read ray FE. Now we are looking the properties of ray. Ray is the part of line. Arrowhead direction, ray has infinite long. Third, we cannot measurement of ray. Fourth, to naming of ray, origin point stated first. Now, you know the point is about the point. Now looking another one concept. The concept are lines passes through one point. Take a point on your page of notebook and you can how many maximum lines which pass through the taken points. Pause the video. Then your answer is infinite lines can construct passes through a point. Here related to lines passes through figured lines passing through one point. Here in this figure, one point, if the point name is O, means one point can we construct the infinite number of lines. Means here one important sentence related to lines pass through one point and infinite number of lines can be drawn through one point. Here, one question remains. The question are, like as lines, what is called? The like as lines called concurrent lines and their point of concurrence. Now looking definition of concurrent lines and their point of concurrence. When two or more lines can construct pass through one point, then the line is called concurrent lines and the common point called point of concurrence. Now looking another information. Can you tell the like as any 2 points, how many lines we can construct which pass throughout any 2 points? If you try how many lines passes through any 2 points, then you can construct only one line which passes throughout any 2 points. Here look on the blackboard. Like here, only one line construct which passes through any 2 points. Here the one important sentence related to we can construct only one line passes through any 2 points. Now observe the one diagram. Here, look at the diagram. You know the diagram is Kho-Kho playground. Here, in Kho-Kho, in sitting position having 8 players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9th player, one team are standing or running position. And the opposite team having 3 players. Here the players, suppose the players are points, means here the on a same line means one line, sitting position players means the points, point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, point F, point G and point H. The 8 points are on the one line means same line. And the point I, point X, point Y and the point Z. Here all 4 points are not on a line. Here point A, point C, point F is the example of group of collinear points. We look another one example of collinear points. Here point B, point E, point F and point H. Another one group of collinear points. In this group, points are the 4. Means you can observe in group of collinear points 3 or more than 3. Now we look another one example, point A, point C and point Z. This group of points called non-collinear points. Another one example of non-collinear points, point Z, point Y and point I. Another one example of the non-collinear points. Now looking definitions of collinear points and non-collinear points. The next concept is collinear points. If a line can construct which pass through 3 or more points, then the points on the line called collinear points. Here, important related to collinear points, the points are on a same or single lines. Now look, next concept, non-collinear points. Definition of non-collinear points. The points are not collinear, called non-collinear points. Here we are looking non-collinear and collinear points examples related this figure. Here two lines. Here the point E, point F, point Y are the example of collinear points. Now look another one example of collinear points. Point F, point Y and point P are the example or group of collinear points. Point E, point Y, point X is the example of non-collinear points. Another one example we look here, non-collinear points. Point F, point Z and point X are example of non-collinear points. Now we look another point. You know for drawing rangoli require the flat surface. In our maths, the flat surface. The next point are planes. Now looking which figure or which concept called planes. Related to plane, the two conditions. One is the flat surface and another one is the infinite all directions. Planes. Here, look on the blackboard. On the blackboard, drawn figure plane H. Related to plane has two conditions. The one condition is plane has flat surface, and the second condition is the plane has all directions infinite long. infinite all directions called a plane. Related to plane, we look one important sentence. The important sentence are plane has not specific shape. Now see the notebook and the two edges, this edge and this edge. The two edges observe carefully, and here the distance are same or different. Your answer is this edge and this edge of notebook distance are same. Means here we can say these two edges do not intersect to each other. If the or like as the examples of edges or lines of the which distance are same do not intersect, called parallel lines or non-intersecting lines. Now look the next point. The next point are parallel or non-intersecting lines. Now we see the figure of parallel lines. Here on the blackboard, line A parallel to line B. Similarly here we can say line B parallel to line A. Now look here, the definition of parallel lines. The two or more lines which has in same plane do not intersect to each other are called parallel lines. Now look the next point here using the notebook. Observe carefully this edge and this edge of notebook. Here you know this edge and this edge of notebook are not the distance same. Means here this edge and this edge intersect to cut to this point, like as the edges or lines called intersecting lines. Now we look definition or meaning of intersecting lines. Which lines intersect to each other are called intersecting lines. Thanks.